Hey everyone, you're watching a market recap for Thursday, April 2nd, and we're reviewing the gap fill, which the gap is the previous day's 4 p.m. close. The chart on the left is the VIX futures, and again, I wasn't trading this day, but I'm doing a self review to see what happened with the gap and to continue to document the percentages so that we have our edge. So first of all, when you're looking at gaps, we're looking at day of the week, which is Thursday. The half gap has an 82% chance of filling. The full gap in the last 2 years is 65%. In the event of a gap down situation versus the trend, because the trend is still down, we have for the half gap 73% chance and the full a little under 50. So what do we have going to pre-market? 8 a.m. we had a low. Again, we use fibs to help us enter these trades. And you can see this. So this probably would have been the first real move, real chance for a pullback before that 9:15 candle. 65.14. We got a dip with a low of 65.03. That could have been tough to get into. You could have drawn this up, and then you would have got a perfect entry at the 50%, or even closer to 61.8, and you could have put your stop below there. With targets at your half and your full, really, for day of the week. Thursday is one of the better days to trade the gap. So once you're in this entry, you're going to have targets either at the quarter or the half or the 3/4 or the full. It's up to you how many contracts you are trading. Now, why did this happen? Why did we get such a nice bounce? I don't know what news was happening. Again, we're in the Iran war situation that's making these gaps a lot less technical right now, but still they can act as a magnet or act as a deterrent. So we had a VIX highs to lows that actually ended up rejecting at its 50% retracement Thursday around 8:30. So this is what 8:30 on Thursday looked like, 8 o'clock, 9:30. So you can see that VIX found resistance, and that just sent the indices up. So that's what we're really looking for: is the VIX at resistance? Is it at support? And we can really use the VIX to take our trades versus trusting the ES, which is going to sweep you out of trades and find the liquidity traps. So you saw this was beautiful. We stopped at the half gap fill. There was some profit taking a little bit, and continued on to the full gap, and stayed basically in between the quarter and the full for the rest of the day. And that's your market recap for Thursday, April 2nd.